got this NES Nintendo game, which is the Mutant Virus Crisis. What is it? Something Computer World, whatever. The Mutant Virus. Okay. So I just got this in, and the seller that was selling this said that he only got it to turn on once. That's it. And he claims that it doesn't work. So I'm gonna try to see it if I can get it to work. If I can see it. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in my. That was kind of hard. Let me just restart this TV. Right, let's go. Hold on. What's going on? I guess it's worse than I thought. Is this on correctly? Let me test it with this other game just in case it seemed like it didn't even do anything here. I'm gonna try it with this game first. Make sure this is set up correctly. It seemed like it didn't even do anything. Hold on. Is this connected? Hold on. This seems to not be plugged in correctly here. Let's make sure. What's going on? Is this plugged in? Okay, it was the plug. It wasn't plugged in. Alright, this is the other game I was testing it with. It was the plug. It wasn't, the adapter wasn't all the way in. Alright, let's go. It actually works. It's not even broken. I thought this was broken. It's not even broken. This game actually just turned right on. So it's the guy's system and not the game. Because he said that he claimed that he only got it to turn on once and never again. But it works. It has nothing to do with the game. It's just his system. But I'm just gonna put a little bit of alcohol, clean it up a little bit. Yeah, so the game actually worked. Just in case, let me open it up, have a quick look at it, at the board, see if I see anything funny. Take a quick look at the board. It looks pretty clean. Board looks pretty clean. I don't see anything. Yeah, let me just clean the pins a little bit. So I like to clean them before I put them in my collection anyway. I'll clean up the pins. Use a little bit of the Brasso. And I just wipe it off with alcohol real quick. So there was nothing wrong with this game. It's just the guy's machine. And I got this for a good price too. So I'll put this back here. got a nice label. Okay. The good part is that I got it for really good price, and you know, it was listed as, you know, not working, that he couldn't get it on. So I guess it scared a lot of the people away. You know, like, I'm not gonna buy it. You know, I'm not gonna buy this game because it's not working. You know, which was good for me because I went in and I bought it as a game that was not working, and it's got a great label and everything, and the game works. You know, and that's pretty much it, guys. You know, it's an automatic fix. It actually wasn't broken, but anyway, I'm happy with it. So, you know, so I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I am out. Peace.